In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Century CC1212-XLi battery charger and maintainer to safely charge both lead acid and lithium iron phosphate batteries. The CC1212-XLi is a 12 volt, 12 amp, 9-stage battery charger and maintainer with selectable charge rates of 1 amp, 8 amp and 12 amps. It can charge batteries from 36 to 240 amp hour and maintain batteries up to 360 amp hour. These settings should be used for the following battery types. SMF calcium batteries use the calcium SMF. Maintainable flooded batteries use AGM flooded EFB. AGM and EFB batteries use AGM flooded EFB. Gel batteries use gel. Lithium iron phosphate use the lithium LFP setting. It's important to select the correct battery type for safety and to maximise the service life of the battery. Before we begin to charge the battery, some safety first. Wear the appropriate personal protection gear, including glasses, gloves, and ensure you don't wear any jewellery that's likely to short against terminals. If you're charging the battery in the vehicle, ensure the vehicle is parked in a well-ventilated area with the park brake applied and the ignition should be switched off. If charging the battery out of the vehicle, ensure that there's adequate ventilation and it's free of any ignition sources. If you're unsure of what charge rate to use, refer to the battery types and capacity section in the owner's manual. Always refer to the manufacturer's recommendations. In the absence of this, you can charge a flooded lead acid battery to 10% of its amp hour capacity and AGM and gel types to 20% of their amp hour capacity. Before we connect the charger, let's look at some of the pre-checks on the battery and the charger. These should include checking the electrolyte levels of a battery that's maintainable and the charge level indicator on top of the battery if it's maintenance free. Looking for external damage to the battery, leakage and case distortion. For the charger, look for damage to the charger and or its leads. Once we've done this, we can go through the process of connecting the charger to the battery. Check that the mains power is turned off to the charger before connecting to the battery. Connect the charger leads to the battery posts, positive, then the negative. With the clamps connected, we can now turn on the charger. Once activated, we need to select the correct battery type and charge rate for the battery within 5 minutes of charging. In this example, we'll be charging a sealed, maintenance-free calcium flooded battery. Press the select button until the SMF calcium LED is illuminated. The next step is to set the charge rate. In this case, we're going to select 12 amp. Once selected, the charger will go through its 9-stage charging process. Then once complete, we'll switch to maintenance mode and illuminate the full LED indicator. You can turn off the charger from the mains power. Once the power has been disconnected, you can now remove the clamps from the terminals, the black followed by the red. For more information on the Century battery charger range, visit centurybatteries.com.au.